how to use the best manga reader for PC. So if you want to use the Suwayomi, the best manga reader for PC, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser and search for Taki Desk Suwayomi. Over here, click on the GitHub link. Go with the second link. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, you need to just scroll down a bit. And here on the right side, you will have the releases. Click on the latest release, which is right here. Once you click on the latest release, you'll have this kind of interface. Then scroll down to the assets section and download the MSI file. Once the download is complete, begin installation. After that, complete the installation. Then it will be on your desktop. So select the MSI, which is right here. Wait for it to download. If Windows Defender blocks it, then you can click on Allow Access. And after that, you will find the application right here. You need to just double click the application or the launcher. Once it launches, you'll have this kind of interface. Click on Launch. Once launched, it will open in your browser. Now, once it has been launched, you just need simply go with Browse, which is on the left side, and then go to Extensions. After that, go with Setting. Over here, open a new tab and search for Kyoshi extensions. Then you need to scroll down to the guide section and tap on Getting Started, which is right here. After that, you need to scroll down and copy the repo URL from the manual section, which is right here. Right click on it and you'll have copy link, and then go back to the same tab right here and paste the URL under the extensions. Paste it right here and then go with OK. Then go to Browse and go with Extensions again. And then you'll find a list of extensions. Click on any extension and install it. So that's basically how you can use Suwayomi. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.